not wanting its smaller sibling, which just leaked on Thursday to get all attention this week. The Pixel 3 XL has again been spotted ahead of its official announcement. This reveal was courtesy of Google's next flagship being left in the back of a lift. Android police was sent pictures from a Lyft driver that found a Pixel 3 XL left in the back seat of their automobile. The handful of images show off the rear and front of the device with special defense given to the nod. The phone is locked, but we do see the standard Android 9 Pie lock screen that notes the time, date, current weather condition and temperature. One image shows the phone awaiting pin input, while the background image of a waterfall in Iceland can currently be found in Google wallpaper. Close-up of a notch shows the speaker grill very clearly flanked by two cameras expected to come in at 8 megapixels each. We previously reported that this dual array of a super selfies in upper right hand corner of this image. We see that T-Mobile is the carrier. Meanwhile, we see the rear of the Pixel 3 XL in the last shot. There are a number of identifying stickers, and it seems that a phone case was just removed given the build-up of dust around the camera lens, pixel imprint, fingerprint sensor and charging port. Besides the made by Google phones being sold on the black market, and the last Pixel 3 XL leak was from an individual using the device on Canadian transit. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.